perfectly good setup almost turned into scrap because of something that didn't move until it did. We were running a batch of steel parts on a CNC lathe, held in soft jaws, bored in place. Everything was dialed in, concentricity was tight, repeatability was solid, and the first handful of parts came out perfect. Then part after part, we started seeing a slight taper on the OD. Not much, but enough to fail inspection. So we stopped and started checking. Tool wear, fine. Offsets, still where they should be. Insert looked good, no chatter, no obvious issues. That's when we indicated the part in the jaws and noticed something odd. The runout wasn't consistent anymore. We pulled the jaws and found the problem. A thin layer of packed chips and debris sitting behind the soft jaws on the chuck face. It was enough just to slightly tilt the jaws under clamping pressure. Nothing dramatic, no alarms, but enough to shift the part axis and introduce a taper across every cut. We cleaned everything out, remounted the jaws, re-indicated and ran the job again. Straight parts, back in tolerance, lesson learned. Work holding isn't just about how you clamp the part, it's about what's underneath it. Even a small build-up of chips can throw off your entire setup. And this is where good process documentation comes in. Knowing exactly how your jaws were set up, bored and assembled, and being able to track that information makes troubleshooting a whole lot faster. That's something MachiningCloud helps support by keeping your tooling setups and job data organised and accessible. All right, have you ever had a work holding issue that didn't show up until halfway through a run? What caused it? Drop it in the comments, I want to hear your stories. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.